NASA Earthdata Forum Quick Video Guide. Searching the Earthdata Forum with the Favorite Tags feature.
Users can select tags to be added as favorite in their profile. Once you have selected and submitted your favorite tags, the system will place a heart icon in all of the tags that you have selected. To select your favorite tags, go to the User Control panel by clicking at the down arrow next to your username. Next, click at Board Preferences, and then at Manage Favorite Tags. In here, you can select tags by discipline, DAG, major projects, and service and usage. You can find a description to each tag by clicking at what do these tags mean. Let's select a couple of tags. Under DAG, I will select ASDC, and under Discipline, I'll select Atmosphere. Click on Submit, and now your favorite tags have been saved. You can edit notification options for this feature by clicking the Edit Notifications option tab. Let's go back to our User Control panel, Board Preferences, and Edit Notification Options. In here, you have multiple notification types where you can choose to get either a notification in the Earthdata Forum or get a notification by mail. Let's check our favorite tags in the Questions and Comments window. Let's go back to Home and Questions and Comments window. In here, as you can see, the tag ASDC have a heart icon. And the tag Atmosphere also has the heart icon. You can further narrow the question comments down by clicking at My Favorites, which will show only those questions and comments that have your favorite tags.
Thank you for watching.